Hi viewers, welcome to another lesson, and today I'll be teaching you how to create TikTok logo, something similar to this. Now all you have to do is to get your system ready and follow my easy steps. Remember to use Corridor X3 or any other higher version. Currently I'm using Corridor X7, so if you have Corridor 12 you have to install Corridor 13 or any other higher version. So let's get started. Now to design TikTok, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your unit of measurement is in millimeter. By default, we always have inches, so set it to millimeters. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on ellipse, which is oval shape. Shortcut is F7. Click on it and click and drag to form your desired shape. Now from the object size, you have to type 100 by 100, 100. You press tab and type 100. Press enter, and it will give me the object size I needed. Now the next thing you have to do is to copy and paste this object. To copy means to take the duplicates of an object, and to paste means to go to the clipboard to take the job you have copied to your desired location. So to copy, you go to edit menu. I don't want to make sure of shortcut because I'm doing it manually. So you go to edit menu, each drop down list will appear. You select copy. Ctrl C is the shortcut if you are using shortcut. And go back to edit menu and select paste command. Now remember the object size, we set it to 100 by 100. This time around I'm going to set it to 50 by 50. So 50 up, press tab and press 50 down. Then press enter. Then we have something like this. We can reduce this zoom level so that I can have a clearer view. Marquee the object, drag it down so that I can see my page very well. After doing something like that, so the next thing I have to do is to click on rectangle tool, which is F6 shortcut. Move to your designed oval shape. You will see where the right quadrant. Click and drag to the right a bit until say quadrant, and take it gradually. Be looking down as you be dragging up. Be looking down to make sure that it is straight, and drop your mouse. The next thing you have to do is to click on pick tool, which is the first tool on the toolbox, and the shortcut is spacebar, but I'm not using shortcut for today's lesson. So click on pick tool, your mouse pointer down to pick tool, marquee these two objects, that's the two oval. I want to duplicate it so I can have a duplicate of the objects here. So I have to go to edit menu, copy the object, edit menu, paste the object, and I can drag it out. So after getting something like this, the next thing I have to do is to make sure my vertical ruler and the horizontal ruler just stay on any of the ruler, drag it out, and you place it where is the right center. Drop the vertical ruler, let's use the horizontal ruler, drag anyone out and place where you see center. Then the next thing you have to do is to make use of our virtual segment delete. Virtual segment delete is the third one if you are using Corridor 7 beside the crop tool. So click on it, marquee this area and it will delete, marquee this area and it will delete, marquee this area and it will delete. I needed this. So I click on pick tool, which is spacebar shortcut, and marquee these two objects together, and I pick it and place it on the rectangles beside it and drop it. I zoom by scrolling my mouse to check whether it is aligned. Yes, so I reduce magnification. Next thing is to click on freehand tool. F5 is the shortcut. Stay on the first node where the right node, click once and join it with the second node. That is all. Remember, we zoom to magnify in order to have our clearer view. Next thing, you have to select the virtual segment delete. It's always beside the crop tool. So if you are here, you just select the virtual segment delete. So you have to delete this place Just click and drag and delete this place. Click and drag and delete this place. Then you have to make sure of the vertical ruler bar to set a margin. You have to set a margin here. That will give us the opportunity to delete this place. Give us the opportunity to delete this place. And give us the opportunity to delete this place. So after getting something like the next thing you have to do is to click on the freehand tool so that we can close up this gap. Click inside the node and join it with the second node. That's all. The next thing you have to do is to click on pick tool, marking entire object together and group it, which is Ctrl G. To group, you can just click on this icon representing group. Ctrl G is the shortcut. You can go to object and you will see group command, which is the group object. So I want to reduce this object. Make sure your mouse not to arrow before you resize the object. So I move it to my desired location. So I have to duplicate this object by going to, I don't want to use shortcuts, I can just use the menu. We are using menu bar for this class. So click on edit menu, Ctrl C is copy, click on edit menu, Ctrl V for paste. And we have two objects here. You have to drag this object gradually until you form something related to this and drop. So this last thing you have to do is just to make sure we make use of our smart fit tool. If you are using corridor 7, it's located down. If you are using corridor S3, it's at the center. So we choose our color from this property bar. So I'm using this color for now. Try to zoom so you can have a clear view and select here. Zoom and select here. Something like this. So change the color to something looking like pink or orange. You can use a default color. So I click here and I click here. So the next thing I have to, I try to use it to click here also, and it remains this side. I have to change the color to the first color and I click here. So the next thing you have to do is to click on your pick tool, which is the first tool, mark the entire object, reduce it so that we can have a clear view of everything. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure that we fill the inner part to white. Though we are seeing white, but there's no color inside because of a default background there. So let's use our smart fit tool and let's change our color to white. So let's click inside this white. Good job. So let's click on pick tool, mark the entire object and group. Remember, you can use this icon to group this icon to group, or Ctrl G. So the last thing I have to do, let me bring up my design work, the background black. So you have to click on rectangle tool, click and drag to form your rectangle shape. So after drawing something, as you switch our mouse to shape tool, which is F10, we target the node, the black node. Just click and drag it down a bit to give you something like this. That's how to curve or convert a rectangle to a rounded corner rectangle. So you have to click on pick tool, go to your color palette and choose color black. Then select your pre-designed Tik Tik logo and place it inside the designed rounded corner rectangle. You will notice that the shape is at the back, so we have to bring it to front. Shortcut is shift page up, but we are not using shortcuts. So menu bar, we go to objects. If you are using X3, you go to arrange. So let's go to objects for those using corridor X7. Then we go to order, ORDER, then you see to front of page. So the white will come out, and after that, the next thing, let me zoom so I can have a clear view. We have to remove the line color that is showing white. So to remove, you come to the first color in the color palette. The first one will look like X, and right click on it, and it brings out the beauty of the logo. So I'm deleting the line I use. So I want to type TikTok with using my text tool from the toolbox. So I click on text tool, F8 is the shortcut. I click to type. Remember to type in capital T of your caps lock I, K, on your caps lock T of your caps lock O and K. After typing it, you click on pick tool, which is the first tool. Click to resize after touching the node. Place it at the bottom part of the logo and change the color to white. So you are permitted to bold to make it tick. So we have done the TikTok logo. So if you want more of my video, please follow my page. Thank you.